If you want to upload and share multiple files with anyone using Google Drive, the cleanest way to do it is by using a shared folder. Welcome to Rich Beat Guides. Let's get straight into it. Make sure you're on your main Drive screen. Click the New button in the top left corner and select New Folder. Give your folder a descriptive name and hit Create. Once it appears, double-click to open it. To add your files, click New again and select File Upload. Navigate to your files, hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac to select multiple files at once and click Open. You can track the upload progress in the bottom right corner. Once your files are fully uploaded, look at the top of the screen and click on your folder's name to open the drop-down menu. Then click Share. Under General Access, change Restricted to anyone with the link. Ensure the role on the right is set to viewer so people can only see and download the files without changing them. Now click Copy Link and hit Done. You can now paste and send this link via email, message, or chat, giving them instant access to the folder. If this quick fix saved you some time, smash that like button and subscribe to Rich Beat Guides so you always have a tech toolkit right in your feed. See you in the next one.